Ever wondered why Italy, with its myriad islands, unique cuisine, and vibrant culture, has been an enduring attraction for globetrotters worldwide? Let's embark on a journey and unveil the magic that is Italy. Did you know Italy boasts over 450 islands? Yes, you heard it right, over 450. From the most famous ones like Sicily and Sardinia to the lesser-known gems like the Aeolian Islands, each island has its own unique charm and history. Sicily, the largest Mediterranean island, is a melting pot of cultures with Greek temples, Norman churches, and Baroque palazzos. Sardinia, on the other hand, is known for its pristine beaches and prehistoric ruins. Now, no discussion about Italy can be complete without mentioning its world-renowned cuisine. Italian cuisine is more than just pizza and pasta. It's a symphony of flavors that vary from region to region, from the rich and hearty dishes of Tuscany to the seafood delights of coastal regions. The culinary journey across Italy is as diverse as it's delicious. And then there's the culture, a rich tapestry woven over centuries. Italy is the cradle of the Renaissance, a period that saw the birth of great artists like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci. The country is steeped in history, with every city, every street echoing tales of the past. The Italians' love for life, their passion for food, football, and fashion, their zest for celebration, all contribute to the vibrant and infectious Italian culture. So what makes Italy so captivating? Is it the sun-kissed islands with their stunning landscapes and rich history? Is it the mouth-watering cuisine that promises a gastronomic adventure like no other? Or is it the vibrant culture that is deeply rooted in history and tradition yet brims with an infectious zest for life? In truth, it's the combination of all these elements that make Italy a country like no other. Each island tells a story. Each dish is a celebration of flavors, and the culture is a testament to the country's rich history and the Italians' infectious love for life. Italy is not just a country, it's an experience, an adventure that promises to surprise and delight at every turn. So go ahead, explore the islands, savor the cuisine, immerse yourself in the culture, and let the Italian magic enchant you. That's the essence of Italy. A country where history, food, and culture come together to create an unforgettable experience. The islands are a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical gems. The cuisine is a gastronomic adventure, a journey of flavors. And the culture, oh, the culture. It's the heart and soul of Italy, a vibrant tapestry woven over centuries. Italy is more than just a destination. It's a journey, an odyssey that promises a lifetime of memories. So come, embark on this journey and discover the magic that is Italy.